Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and welcome to the first class of computing in week number 3. This is your first lesson of computing, and in today's class, we will be discussing a very interesting topic, that is, we will discuss about computer hardwares and computer softwares. Okay, the last week, we discussed the different topics that were, let's say, we talked about the input and output devices. And can you quickly tell me what are the input devices? Let's quickly revise that. What are input devices? Yes, raise your hands. Hurry up. Yes, yes, Hamza. Very well done. The devices that we use to enter data into the computer are called input devices. Excellent. Okay. Who is going to tell me what are output devices? Yes, Sarah. Very well done. The devices that gives us the result of our input are known as output devices. Excellent. Then we talked about, then there were two types of output devices. One was which is used for display, and the one for the sound. And for the display, we use screen. Excellent. And for the sound, we use speakers. Only speakers. Headphones as well. Very well done. Okay. Now in today's class, we'll be doing a different topic, a new topic, which is hardware and software. Okay, tell me, have you ever heard these words before? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So can you get any idea by looking at these words what it would be about? You must have heard this. Okay. This game is not playing. You need this software for that. If you will install this software into your computer, this game will play. Have you ever heard this? Yes, okay. And have you heard this word that there is something wrong with your computer hardware? If you will change that, it will work properly, right? So you must have heard these sentences, okay? So let's first quickly define what is software and what is hardware, and then we will watch an interesting video. Now, if it hardware is basically what you can see in your computer, right? All of the things that you can see and touch in your computer are called the hardware. And software is what is inside the computer that you cannot see. The inside coding, the inside, the different things, the inside programs which run inside the computer are called software. And the things, the parts of computer, the related stuffs, which are in the form of, which are, okay. Have you heard this word that I need this document in the hard copy? When it comes in hard copy, you can see this. Let's say if I tell you that this book is the hard copy of computing for grade 2. Why is this hard copy? Because we can see this, when we can, I can see this and I can touch this as well, so it's in the hard copy form. And if I send you this book in the form of PDF, in the form of Word, into your laptop, into the computer, that would be soft copy. Why it's soft? Because we cannot touch that, right? We cannot touch that. So this is the difference between hard copy and soft copy. Similarly, what is hardware and software? Hardware are all the devices which are in or connected with the computer, and you can see them, you can touch them. And software is all of the programs, all of the things which are running inside the computer, all of the codings which are inside the computer, which are the let's say the functions that computer does it on its own. Okay, so can anybody now define what is hardware and what is software? Anyone? Yes. Okay, now let's write the definition of a hardware. Okay, so I'm writing the definition of hardware in front of you, and you, all of you, open your notebooks, and you need to write this definition with you on your notebooks as well. Okay, so hurry up, open your notebooks, prepare the page. Hardware is any physical device now. Physical device mean that you can easily see this. Okay, so you can easily see this and you can touch it as well, used in or with the computer. Okay, this is called as hardware. All of the devices, all of the physical devices that are used in or with the computer that you can easily see or touch are called the computer hardware, right? Now, in the compared to that, what is software? Software is basically collection of the programs or the codes which are inside the computer, right? Now let's say for taking these online classes, we are using an app. Let's say when you start the class, you can easily see the what is placed in front of you. Let's say I can see the screen, I can see the keyboard, I can see the mouse, I can see the speaker, right? All of these things I can see. Now if I ask the computer to do something, let's say I ask the computer to please add 2 plus 2. Now what happens inside the computer, behind the screen? Can you see that? Can you touch that? No. It's something internal, right? The internal functions, the internal coding, internal processing which happens in the computer is called computer software. And the things, the physical devices that we can see, that we can touch, are called computer hardware. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you in which there is this picture. You will get the better idea about this. Can you see the picture? Right? Okay. So can you get the idea about hardware and software? Hardware are all of the parts that you can see easily, right? It's a CPU, it's a keyboard, there is this printer, headphones, speaker, mouse. All of the things which you can see and touch are called. There is this motherboard as well and a hard drive. Then look at the soft parts. What is software? All of the programs, let's say Gmail, let's say Google. Can you touch Google? It's something it's which is running inside the computer. Can you touch Word? Not from the screen. Inside the computer? No. These are some programs which are running inside the computer. Yes, we know about them, but we cannot look how they work, how they process. Let's say if you write something or if you search something on Google, how will you know that what is the processing behind that? How the Google search that for you? You don't know, right? You don't know about the coding of computer. So the hardware is something, the parts of computer that you can see and touch, and software is something, the internal information, the internal coding, the internal processing which is going on in the computer is called as computer software. So get this. Okay, let's revise this. Yes, read the definition with me. Computer hardwares are all of the physical devices that are used in or with the computer, right? And computer softwares are all of the programs, collection of the codes or all of the programs that run inside the computer. Okay, now let's watch a video for the better understanding of this. Okay. I'm going to share the screen with you and you need to tell me if the video is visible to you or not, okay? So let's watch an interesting video.
Let's learn about hardware and software. Hardware is everything that's inside our computer. Let's see what the doctor says. Hello, doctor. The hardware is in the CPU. The hard drive, the CD-ROM, and everything is a hardware. The printer and everything inside the printer is hardware. And the software is everything we see on our screen and use. Like all the apps. Microsoft Word, animation software, and all kinds of apps are all software that we see on the screens.
Okay, class. So have you seen the same thing he talked about hardware and software in the video as well, right? Softwares are the things like the Microsoft, like the Google, the things that you can use, you can see, but you cannot know how the processing is done behind that, right? You cannot see, you cannot examine what happens behind the screen when you give a command to the computer, right? So all of these things are called software, and hardware are all of the devices, all of the parts of computer that you can see. It also includes the CD drive, the DVD drive, the motherboard, all of the computer related things which you can see and touch. Okay, so do you guys enjoy the today's topic? Yes. Okay, that's very good. What is your home task? You need to write the examples of computer hardware and software. Do search them on Google. Find that. If you can memorize it, it's very well done. And if you cannot, just note them down on your notebook and I'll ask you in the next class. That was all for today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.